Greetings from Suite 6032 at the all-inclusive Hilton, Cancun. The zigzag-shaped swimming pool is a buzz of people. Apparently there's another swimming pool somewhere where the kids are more likely to go. Looking out to sea. I'm on the 6th floor. It's a 7th-floor building, and it's got 715 rooms. This is a very special suite. It's enormous, look at it. You can come in here with a group of 7 friends and have a very enjoyable dinner or what have you. Being all-inclusive, you can order dinner up here. Full fridge, all-inclusive, remember. And I'm going on through. It's so big, it's quite difficult to find my way around. Hirsch Bedner's done the design, and I'm really happy to see these mats, because that's going to be great for exercising. Oh, and good, I've got fiber optics. This is a very practical place. I've got some kind of radio thing here, and I love these sockets which have USB and USB ports right in them. And I love the solid wood sliding door over the bathroom area. This is the bathroom with double sinks, Toto sinks. I've got Asprey and Persia toiletries. What is this? Whoops, push in, and there's the toilet. And let's see, push this one in, and here I've got the shower, easy turn on shower controls, and I can turn them on without getting wet from the overhead shower. Well, I think I've got everything I need, and I'm going to be very happy here at Hilton All-Inclusive Cancun, looking out to sea.